guys, it's me again, Abby. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you what's inside my bag too. Let's open here. First, we need to open here. And there's pencil and crayons. And I have here my reading materials where I practice reading at school and at home. Next is my pencil case. See, it's Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. And I will show you what's inside. Crayons, and erasers, and my sharpener, eraser, pencils, and my ball pen. Let's go next. Next is my paper. Grade 1 paper. I'm already in grade 1. So let's go. This is my card. And next, look here guys. Is blue and a pair of scissors and more pencils. Next is my notebooks, color notebooks, brown, darker blue, and green, and yellow, and pink. This is my English notebook, yellow, and there's numbers on it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one is my mapping notebook. Is a pink one. Also had 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Color violet. And we going to the red. This is my MTV notebook. It's red. This is my Filipino notebook. So we're going here on the side. And also, Mom just bought my bag. There is a handle and a wheel so that I will no longer carry my bag. It's really painful in my shoulders when you carry your bag. So we are gonna go here at the side. So this is my pictures. This is my birthday pictures. And my birthday pictures. This is my birthday picture. And this. Also this. That's I think. And this is my baby pictures. This is my baby pictures. And also this one. See, I'm just I was so cute when I was a baby. Look. And Mom. There's more. This is my project. And this is my project too. It's a rainbow. I draw a rainbow. And I got a purse. Coin purse. And there's money inside. Next is my crayons. 12 colors. And my project again. We're gonna float a boat in the water. And tomorrow. I'm so excited. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe if you like it and click the bell button below. Bye! Thanks for watching.